Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about geometry. So let's start with that. Point, line segment, line and ray beta. Okay, so just start with point first. A point is an exact location. A fine dot represents a point, that means like this is point beta. In the adjoining figure, A is a point. Now line segment. Let A and B be 2 points. Okay, A और B हमारे 2 points हैं. The straight path from A to B is called the line segment AB, denoted by like that way. Okay, AB और उसके ऊपर हम इस तरीके से straight खींचेंगे. The points A and B are called the end points of AB. The distance between the point A and B is called the length of AB beta. Thus, a line segment has a length which can be measured. Okay, line segment की जो length होती है हम उसको measure कर सकते हैं. The edges of a table, the edges of a ruler, etc. are example of line segment beta. Okay, हम table को measure कर सकते हैं, तो ये हमारे क्या है example है. This is called line segment. Hope you understood. Now line. अब line क्या होता है? Let's see. A line is an endless stretch path, okay, that extends in a both directions. Line हमारे दोनों directions में बढ़ती है. A line has no endpoints. उसके कोई endpoints नहीं होते हैं. A line segment AB extended on both sides and marked by arrow. Marks on both the ends represent a line denoted by AB. Like that way बेटा. इस तरीके से हम इसको denote करते हैं. Okay. Arrow in opposite directions indicate that the line is endless. Sometimes a line is represented by a small letter L, M, N, etc. beta. In the adjoining figure, L is a line, like that way. Hope you understood. Now points to remember. An infinite number of lines can be drawn to pass through a given point beta. And second point is, one and only one line can be drawn to pass through two given points A and B. Hope you understood well. So now let's see the ray. A ray is a straight path having one end and extending endlessly in a one directions only. Ray हमारा सिर्फ एक ही directions में आगे बढ़ता है. Okay. The end point of a ray is called its initial point. In the adjoining figure, AB is a ray. A is the initial point of ray AB, like that way beta. Hope you understood well. So now next, this is measuring line segments. To measure a line segment, we use a ruler or scale. One edge of a ruler is marked in the centimeter as shown below, like that way beta. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4 till 15 centimeter. Now next. Each centimeter is divided into 10 equal small divisions. Each small division is called a millimeter. Thus, 1 centimeter में कितने millimeter होते हैं? Yes, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter beta. Like that one. Now example, measure the length of the given line segment AB. Okay, like that way. Now method. Place the edge of the ruler along line segment AB. Keeping the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler at the point A, read the mark on the rulers at the point B. Like this, हमने 0 पे start करना है और यहाँ से read करते हुए हमारा B point कहाँ पर है? 6 पर है. We observe that the end point B is 3 smaller division ahead of 6 centimeter mark. So the length of AB कितना हो गया? Yes, 6 centimeter and 3 millimeter, क्योंकि exact 6 के बाद वो 3 steps और आगे है. That means we just say it 6.3 centimeter. Hope you understood well. So now next, to draw a line segment of a given length. Okay, so see the example. Draw a line segment of length 4.8 centimeter. Okay, for that now see the method. Place the ruler on the plane of the papers and hold it firmly. Mark a point with the fine pencils against the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler. Now name it point A. By sliding the pencils gently along the edge of the rulers, draw a line segment up to the mark. Okay, 8 small divisions ahead of the 4 centimeter mark on the ruler beta. Now name the points against 4.8 centimeter and now mark as B. Like that one बेटा. 0 पे रखा और ये हमारा कितना आया? Yes 4, then 5 more 6, 7, 8. So ये कितना आया है हमारा? 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so while drawing the line segments, make sure that the pencils is well sharpened and the scale is held firmly and doesn't move beta. Hope you understood well. So then we can say that AB हमारा कितना है? 4.8 centimeter और 4 centimeter 8 millimeter. Like that one. Hope you understood. Now next. Texting time 9.1. Question number 1. Count the number of line segments and also name them in each of the following figures. So here it is. First questions. तो कितने line segment है इसमें? This shape is like a cuboid. So cuboid के line segment कितने होते हैं? Yes, ये है हमारे 12 line segment. ओके, सो कौन कौन से हैं? लेट्स सी. सबसे पहले ए और बी, देन ई और एफ, उसके बाद ये हमारा ई एफ है, उसके बाद ए और ए के साथ हमारा क्या मैच हो रहा है? ई, तो वी जस्ट राइट इट ए ई. आफ्टर दैट बी और ई, सो राइट इट बी एंड एफ. ओके, पीछे बी के साथ हमारा एफ है. आफ्टर दैट अब हम ऊपर से लेते हैं, क्या है हमारा? सामने डी के साथ बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली सी है, सो राइट इट डी सी. डी सी के पीछे क्या है हमारा? एच जी, सो राइट इट एच जी. आफ्टर दैट डी और हमारा क्या है? एच, सो डी और एच, और इसके बिल्कुल साइड में क्या है हमारा? सी और जी, सो वी जस्ट राइट इट सी और जी. ओके, नाउ उसके बाद हमारा क्या है? स्टैंडिंग में क्या है? एच, एच के साथ ई, एच और ई. इधर क्या है हमारा? यस, इट्स जी एंड एफ. देन डी, डी के साथ हमारा क्या है? ए, एंड उसके बाद बेटा इस तरफ क्या है हमारा? यस, सी और बी, सो सी और बी. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. सो ये हमारे 12 क्या है इसके? लाइन सेगमेंट्स. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. So these are the other questions beta, you have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on next topic. This is straight and curved lines. You must have seen that by moving our pencils along objects with straight edge such a ruler, a dice, a pencil box, etc., we get a straight line. Similarly, by moving our pencils along a curved edge of a coin और द लिड ऑफ अ टिन वी गेट अ कर्व्ड लाइन. ऐसे ही होता है ना. तो ये हमारे क्या है? कर्व्ड लाइन है. लाइक हम कॉइन से कोई शेप बनाएंगे, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कर्व्ड. सो कर्व्स, द फिगर्स ट्रेस्ड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द शार्प एज ऑफ अ पेंसिल्स विदाउट लिफ्टिंग द पेंसिल्स आर कॉल्ड कर्व्स. हेयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कर्व्स लाइक दैट वन. ओके, ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, जस्ट रीड इट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट, closed and open figures. You must have noticed that in the above figures, curves A, B, D, E, G and H begin and end at the same point. Such curves are called closed figures beta. On the other hand, curves C and F do not end at the same starting point. So such curves are called open figures. Okay, hope you understood. Now simple closed figure. Let's see. A closed figure which doesn't intersect itself is if called a simple closed figure beta. Thus curves A, E, G and H are simple closed figures. Now polygons. Polygons क्या होते हैं? Let's see. A simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segment is called polygons. The line segment which form a polygons are called its sides. The point at which two adjacent sides of a polygon meet is called the vertices of the polygon. The plural of vertex is, yes, vertices, like that one. So ये हमारे vertex हैं और ये हमारी क्या है? उसकी sides है. Hope you understood. Now vertices. Vertices क्या होता है? द पॉलीगन शोन हेयर 4 साइड्स एंड 4 वर्टिसेस। इस पॉलीगन में हमारे 4 क्या दे रखे हैं, साइड्स दे रखे हैं, 4 ही हमारे वर्टिसेस दे रखे हैं। नाउ टाइप ऑफ पॉलीगन्स, अब ये क्या होता है, लेट्स सी। अ पॉलीगन विथ 3 साइड्स इज अ कॉल्ड ट्राइंगल। एक पॉलीगन जिसकी 4 साइड्स होती है उसको हम कहते हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। 5 साइड्स वाला पॉलीगन कहलाता है हमारा यस पेंटागन, एंड 6 साइड्स हेक्सागन, और 7 साइड्स को हम कहते हैं यस हेप्टागन, और अ पॉलीगन विथ 8 साइड्स इज कॉल्ड एन ऑक्टागन, एंड सो ऑन बेटा। होप you understood. Now this is example, like this is triangle, quadrilateral, this is pentagon having 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, heptagon, and this is octagon beta. Now see the triangle first. A simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segment is called a triangle. In the given figure ABC is a triangle. It has 3 sides, namely yes AB, BC and CA. ये हमारी साइड्स हो गई। ओके 3 वर्टिसेस नेमली A, B and C। ये हमारा वर्टिस हो गया A, B and C बेटा। ओके द सिंबल फॉर अ ट्रायंगल इज लाइक दैट वन। ये हमारा सिंबल होता है ट्रायंगल का। दस ट्रायंगल ABC मीन्स अ ट्रायंगल ABC बेटा। होप यू अंडरस्टूड। नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट। It may be noted here that in describing a triangle, we may name the vertices in any of the following order, like ABC, triangle BCA हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, CAB also, BAC, ACB and CBA. Now next, this is quadrilaterals. A simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segment is called a quadrilaterals. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. It has 4 vertices, namely A, B, C and D, like that one. Okay, and 4 sides, namely AB, BC, CD and DA, like that one. ये हमारे क्या है, इसके sides हैं. Now adjacent sides. The sides of the quadrilaterals having a common vertex are called its adjacent side beta. Thus AB, BC and BC, DA, CD, DA or DA, AB form pair of adjacent sides in the quadrilaterals ABCD. Now opposite sides in a quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD make one pair of opposite sides. AB हमारे CD के opposites हैं, okay, and BC हमारे AD के opposite pair sides हैं. Hope you understood. Now diagonals. अब diagonals क्या होता है? Let's see. The line segments joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral are called its diagonals. Thus, quadrilaterals ABCD has 2 diagonals, namely AC and BD beta. Hope you understood well. So now rectangle beta. A rectangle is a special type of a quadrilaterals in which opposite sides are equal. इसके opposite sides equal होते हैं. Diagonals are also equal beta. In the adjoining figures, quadrilaterals PQRS is a rectangles where PQ हमारा RS के equal है because ये opposite sides हैं, and PS is equal to QR beta. And PR and QS हमारे क्या है, diagonals है, they are also equal. Hope you understood. Now square. A square is a special type of rectangle in which all the 4 sides are equal beta. The diagonals of a square are also equals. The adjoining figure shows a rectangle in which EF is equal to FG is equal to GH is equal to EH beta. So EFGH is a square. Clearly EG is equal to FH beta. Like that. ये हमारे क्या हैं, diagonals भी equal होंगे और इसके हमारे sides भी equal होंगे. Hope you understood. Now texting time 9.2. First question is given here. Which of the following are simple closed curve? So simple closed curve क्या होती है हमारी? Yes, we can say that ये simple closed curve है हमारी. After that B, ये भी simple closed curve है. Then C, ये नहीं है हमारी. Then D. So simple closed curve means जो कि हमारी covered होती है पूरी अच्छे तरीके से. Okay, उसमें कोई भी lines हमारी open नहीं होती है. Hope you understood. So These are the other example beta. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now move on. Next topic. This is circle. Activity. Place a 1 rupee coin on a paper and with a sharp edges pencil starting from a point trace its boundary on the paper till your pencil reaches the starting point. You obtain a figure as shown here with. आपको क्या मिलेगा? इस तरीके से एक फिगर मिलेगी. This is circle. This is why we call a bangle, a wheel, a coin circular objects beta. This is why we call a bangle, a wheel, coin circular objects. We shall now define a circle geometrically and study its various elements. Now see the definitions of that one. A circle is a closed figure each of whose points is equidistant from a fixed point inside it beta. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. In the figure shown here, O is the center of the circle, like that one. Okay. So A, B, C are any 3 points on the circle. All the 3 points are at the same distance from O. Okay. So we can say that OA हमारा कितना होगा? OB के equal and OC. All these are equal to each other beta. Okay. Hope you understood well. Now see the radius. The distance between the center of a circle and any point on it is called its radius. Thus each of the line segment OA, OB and OC represent a radius of the circle. The plural of radius is radii. All the radii of a circle are equal in length beta. Okay? जो भी हमारे जो radii होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के equal होते हैं. Now chord. A line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called chord of the circle. In the adjoining figure, AB and CD are 2 chords of the circle. Like that one beta, AB and CD. Now see the diameter. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called its diameter of the circle. Diameter की condition है कि उसको center में से ही pass होके गुजरना है. Okay. So in this figure AB is a diameter like that one. ये हमारा AB diameter कहलाएगा. Okay. So diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Note here that AB, that means AO plus OB. Okay. So ये जो तुम्हारा है AO and OB like these two radii. So ये मिला के हमारे क्या बनते हैं 2 into AO. Hope you understood. That means AO हमारा is equal to हो गया OB के रेडियस. सो डायमीटर फॉर्मूला निकलता है, डायमीटर होता है हमारा 2 इंटू रेडियस लाइक दैट वन. नाउ सी द आर्क. अब ये आर्क क्या होता है? लेट्स स्टार्ट. एनी पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड एन आर्क. यूजुअली वी नेम एन आर्क बाय 3 पॉइंट्स out of which 2 are the end point of the arc and third one is the point in between them. In the given figures, ACB is an arc of the given circle. Okay. Now semicircle. Semicircle में क्या है हमारा? Half of a circle is called a semicircles. Thus in the given figures ACB is a semicircles and ADB is also a semicircles. Note that a semicircle is also an arc of the circle. Hope you understood. Now circumference. The length of a boundary of a circle. Circle की जो boundary की जो length होती है is called the circumferences of the circle. Hope you understood. Now next. Activity. Place a bangle on a papers and trace out its boundary with the pencils. To form a circle, now take a thread and place it along the circle till the 2 ends of the thread meet. The length of this thread gives us the circumferences of this circle beta. Now to draw a circle of the given radius, see the example. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So method. We can draw circles with the help of compass contained in your geometry box. A compass has 2 legs. Okay. One leg has the steel end. To another leg, a pencil is fixed by means of a screw in such a way that the pencil's end and the steel end are at the same level. Step number 1. open the legs of the compass to 3 centimeter length using the ruler. See figure number 1. Okay, 3 centimeter का आपने लेंथ ले लिया है कंपास से. Now step number 2, mark any point O on the plane of the paper. After that, place the steel end of the compass at point O. Hold the head of the compass between the thumb and the forefinger such that the pencil's end touches the paper. Now turn it completely round so that the pencil's end traces a circle. Like that one, beta. Hope you understood that how to make it. Now see the texting time 9.3. Here it is given. Look at the adjoining figures. इस figure के accordingly, now you have to find out the all the radii shown in the circle. So we know the radii क्या होते हैं. So let's see how to solve it. O and A. OA हमारा क्या है? ये हमारा radii है. After that OC. OC भी है. उसके बाद OB. We can say that OB is also radii and OD. OD is also radii and OG. OG भी हमारा एक radii है. So we just write it OG also. Now second, the diameter shown in the circles. Diameter क्या होती है? Longest chord होती है हमारी. So ये हमारी क्या है? A और B. Yes, AB because ये center में से पास हो रही है. And C, D. Okay. Now all the chords. Chord कौन कौन से हमारे? Yes, AC. We just write it A and C. After that, yes, DB. DB भी हमारा क्या है? Chord है. Hope you understood well, beta. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. Now things to remember. The figures traced out with the sharp edge of a pencil without lifting the pencils are called curves. Curves which start and end at the same points are known as closed figures. A closed figure which doesn't intersect itself is called a simple closed figure, beta. A simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral are called its diagonals. A rectangle is a special type of quadrilateral in which क्या होता है? Opposite sides equal होती है and उसके diagonals भी equal होते हैं. Now after that, a square is a special type of rectangle जिसमें उसकी चारों sides क्या होती हैं? Equal. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose points is adjoint from a fixed point inside it called the center, beta. After that, the distance between the center of a circle and any point of it's called its radius. Now after that, a line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called, yes, chord of the circles. And after that, a chord which passes through center of the circle is called its diameter. So diameter क्या हो गया हमारा? Longest chord हो गया. And formula क्या हो गया diameter का? 2 into radius. And after that, the length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. I hope you understood all the points very nicely, beta. Okay. So with this, we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do practice and do rest of these exercises, beta, by yourself.